no man, I can't that make better than set me up. I can't that. Because after me and the man done all the reasoning, the man never seemed like him upset. It more seemed like him did understand what me I say. So I can't that. But then again, what else could it be? Because me and him not have no reasoning about nothing where I could have preface why I would have this or good at that. Some day I know I wonder. I really that make better than a pre me. If I make man take my life through, I decide to me nah get myself involved in the war. Me nah buy no confidence trap. Jaja God. A man definitely set me up for that. I can't that still. Me really not believe that. I got just go hold a one lie down, you know, still and see if I can get asleep because trust me, this really deep on my mind and it a bother my mind wicked. John star me there lie down and can't even sleep. Me can't even let me in peace. That thing just a bother me. The thing just a ride my mind. Jaja God. And for make matters even worse, Ashley never there. Because she was a part of the whole plan. If everything did good with all me Ashley, me no more would have somebody to talk to or reason with about it. Who would have just there lie down, sheet on my arms, or just Netflix and chill and go and hold a steady meds and me know so that would have make me feel better. But right now, me nah nobody to turn to. Me never know who to trust. And me can't even talk to mommy about certain things because she never to understand how the street runs still. Jaja God, the thing really mess up for me right, you know. You know what I gotta do? I gotta just get up and go down to that place around the road still, you know. Yeah man, go see if me can sip on 2 guineas and just go and hold a one meds until sleep come. Then me just come back home and just mats up some sleep.
Hey boy, better than. Get up. Yo, Tuggy, get up.
I will go on, officer. What the problem?
We nah no problem, man. Just pack up on our clothes and come out. We nah go home.
Where I say, officer, we are go home for 2. Man, a prank here, prank man, officer. No bother with the styling thing, man.
I real meds, man, and I go home for true, man. Brandon come drop the charges, them against you know, so. I'm free to go. So just call on the little people, them down a yard if you come pick on up or if you don't want the squad car drop on down there, that alright too. So just pack up on the things. Let's go.
Tuggy, you hear what the police boy just say? Brandon come drop the case far away. You believe that? Nah, man, something right with that, man. Why Brandon would have just come drop the case power so knowing fully well say we there behind him thing. Something right about that, man. I wonder if it's a little setup thing I go on. I rise I said the police them a try to pull off a style power and that style. But them never pack up still. So we gotta just pack up and see what I go on.
Probably Brandon never up to nothing in my boss. You have to remember still, you know, so Brandon is a youth who rate the very ground where you walk on a certain way still in my general. So I know probably his mother just all talk to him for just left everything to God type of way and him just decide say I can just come down here and do the right thing because I am general nonetheless. So I don't know. I could pack up and see where I go on. No?
I wonder if the police then let out the boy better than yet. Let me ring him phone and find out where I go on around there.
Hello? That who this?
Oh, you feel ask who this? No must me Ashley. You know have my number saved in your phone.
Yo Ashley, where you going with? Everything good? Are you talk to your boy Brandon for him come down and come drop the charges them against you so we can flick out our place?
No, son, not me. And me talk to Brandon. Furthermore, Brandon I'll run me out of place. I run and my mother yard me have to go back and catch up on our boat villa, son, not me.
So if I know you talk to him for come drop the case against me and Tuggy, I wonder who gave my reasonings. Somebody have to talk to him for him come down and come do that. Because Brandon and a bad people like that fear take things to his street, so I don't know. That just sounds strange still.
And that me call you for talk to you about, you know. You put me in a problem with Brandon, make Brandon show me out so me have to run a boat villa catch up back with my brother. You have to go find someone put me, you know. You have to go find someone put me.
I easy one tree that man, Ashley man. What you ask you, man? Just come link me round pan the ends. May I get free up out of jail cell right now. So come link me round pan the ends in about 45 minutes to an hour. You see it? Come in.
Yo, my general, you know, easy still in my boss. You know, easy at all. After all of that, You still a clapkin pan the man, girl. Judge of God. General, you're a boss.
Oh, you mean, man, tuggy. But yeah, say, man, a couple days, well, man, in this lockdown, you know. That couple days I feel like couple years when I tell. No lie. So, of course, we have to go down on the ends and go deal with it like Shenyang and Skillibeng.
Like Shenyang and Skillibeng. What you mean by that, my general?
When she come in on the ends, man, she have to just shake it to the max. And I gotta deal with it like Skillibeng because I don't know a bad man she love.
You're not easy, you know, my general. Judge of God, you're not easy. But do you think still I heal the king? You don't know you're the realest thing.
I suppose to tonight them supposed to have some artists come in too, you know. So it's a good night for go down there for real. Go sit in and just go and drink 2 Guineas and just go and listen to them song and go and vibe to them.
Brandon, my baby, where I go on. I miss you, my baby. I miss you. And I miss me, Brandon.
So when me I miss her for? When me could I really have miss her for wicked girl?
I really say I deal with me, Brandon. I really say I continue to deal with me. You know what? I'm not even going to put up on practice because this what me have under my foot. You have to come back for it. You have to come back for this. Because when you lie down in that big bed there alone and you roll from left to right and no Ashley and that thing they stand up on you, you have to come back for this. So I'm not able to put up on practice.
In a sad and crazy way still. But miss her for true. I'm not gonna lie about that. I miss her for true. But me tell you this wicked girl. You see before me make you come back in my bed, listen to me Ashley. Me bat my fist till me blind. You wicked girl can't see back in my bed.
Okay then, anything you say. But we shall see.
The fact that you walk in this direction at this hours a night, one place me know say you going a girl Ashley. I must done a young man better than how I am calling and make you know so me drop the charges them against him and tuggy. So you run go round and go cock up in a fiend bed now. But don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. More time I just can't believe so me allow myself to fall in love with a muckers like you. Cause you know nobody in Ashley. And this is quite obvious and evident right now. You know nobody. See there? As the man drop out of jail you that run gone around there. You are a real old muckers girl. You and better than deserve each other, man. Together forever, man, to the end like Chucky. I mean that literally. But no worry on yourself, man. Go on and enjoy yourself. May the good Lord go with you and him.
He coming like my salt like sea. The one little chance me get for go back in a Brandon good book around here so him can come catch me a going a better than yard. No man Ashley. No man, you really need to take a wash off, girl. You really need to take a wash off. This can't work. I swear so the man would have fall for the trap. I swear so I could have used the thing between my leg and catch him. But the boy nah budge. The boy nah budge. But me go and walk around a better than here there. Yeah, for the dead, some of us sleep tonight, so it is what it is. Brandon, lucky ya.
Me have to rub out my eyes then real good and look to see if Brandon this Mississippi down here, sir. Brandon, why go on? You know a long minute see a youth like you. A what breeze could have blow you down at this place in the night. I want him. You alright?
Yeah, man, I say, man, my Gucci, man, my there, man, I just come sit in for sip on 2 Guineas and go and listen to some music. So tonight, the artists, them are going to roll in now.
Yeah, man, tonight the artists them are coming and some good artists too, you know. But me I get a Guineas them. You get a special if you buy 6 in a Brandon. So no bother with the tool. Better you just get 6 and get a good price for them.
No say 40 man, Mrs. Trin man. Just bring in the one bucket since me can't get it on a better price. Me will just sit down and sip them one.
Alright, me soon come. I can fix them up well cold for you and bring them come.
John Star, all now me can't come to terms with that. Say I really that make the boy better than set me up to take my life, you know. With Shaja God. You human beings. Evil.
Hey, my name is Rachel. I've been noticing you for a while. You look bothered. Are you okay?
I guess I'm kinda okay. But to be honest, I'm not really that okay, but I guess I'll be fine eventually. Sorry that I was speaking out loud. I didn't know that it was that obvious.
Do you mind sharing? I have a little bit of time on my hands. We can sit and talk.
Yeah man, I can sit down still, but we don't know about the talk part of it still. But like I have a see.
So what's your name?
You know, sir, Brandon, my name still.
Nice to meet you, Brandon.
The pleasure is all mine, Rachel. Nice to meet you too.
So talk to me. What seems to be the problem?
To be honest with you, Rachel, a whole heap now got through right now. My heart heavy with a whole heap of things. But right now, which part were there not conducive to all of that. So I better we talk about that at another time. Right now, I just want to sip on them two beer and take in them artists to see if I can hold a meds from what them say.
Okay, Brandon. I can understand that. And oh, look, the artists are about to come on.
Oh, see there? At this me I talk about you now.
Good night to everybody within this venue. We have two artists for feature in the night here. We have a male artist from all the way out in St. Thomas who goes by the name of Trapycal. And then we have a very soulful female artist that goes by the name of Liyah. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Now the first person coming up on stage, let me introduce him to you. From out of St. Thomas, Trapycal.
Mr. DJ, I'm gonna do this one a cappella. Listen up.
In the street, J.A. Amount of fight man get. Chop them set, them fight me hard fear. Still I get the victory, yeah. Me know say me great. Me born a winner. Amount of time than this, me coulda squeeze the trigger. Jah protect me upon the street when me a look me dinner. I try escape the dark days when me inna. Amount of time me feel me try again. Most wanted, coulda be one of them. Work hard, me never link with no banger friend. Them cheat me the rest, we love me when money I spend. Amount of fight man get. Chop them set, them fight me hard fear. Still I get the victory, yeah.
Give it up to the artist from Outer East, Trapycal, wonderful performance. Give him a round of applause for my people. Round of applause. Now we had to introduce on stage a female from Outer Eastern Kingston. This a very soulful female artist known as Liyah. Let's welcome on stage Liyah. Give her a round of applause.
Liyah, Mr. DJ, Mama run it a cappella.
Tears to me eyes. Listen. Time on Liyah. Me I do this with tears to me eyes. If you listen to the pain of my voice. Up on work late night and night. Do the work and I wait for my time. Watch I deal with my faith in a Christ. I look for love, but I'm hot me could I say. I look the bus, but them send me a bike. I learn my feel every day me I try. Come on, I reach, but I now it. Time bad, but me not quit. Under the speed when the race, them a pass me. You think them step and let me out, them a crosses. And when they want strength, them a call me. Work from night till the morning, can't see the time sickness. Come on, I live. Me I do this with tears in my eyes. If you listen to the pain of my voice. Up on work late night and night. Do the work and I wait for my time. Watch I deal with my faith in a Christ. I look for love, but I'm hot me could eyes. I look the bus, but them send me a bike. I let me feel every day me I try. Broken bruiser, still can't lose her. Clothes on, cover my shoes. Pain to the side, fix that smile.
Confidence is my style. Till fear stand by. Lost my life many times I could. Problems can't stop me, now I'm good. To the ones that never made it. Life and death separated. We out here segregated. I'm here so I'm celebrating. Life is amazing. Switch it. Come here to this taste. Now me eyes if you listen to the pain of my voice. Up and work, late night and die to the work and wait for my time. Go and try to faith in a Christ. I look for love, but a man make with eyes. I look the boss, but them send me a bike. I learn my feel every day me try. Cause you want it, you wanna have it. Time hard, you not quit. I know the speed when the race them a pass. You think them stop and every out for cross. Put them out, I want strength in my car. Father never lie, huh? From night, straight till the morning. Cancel death and sickness. Cause we want live, we are do this with pain. We are do this with days. If you listen, come here do this with taste. Now me eyes if you listen to the pain of my voice. Up and work, late night and die to the work and wait for my time. Go and try to faith in a Christ. I look for love, but a man make with eyes. I look the boss, but them send me a bike. I learn my feel every day me try. Cause you want it, you wanna have it. Time hard, you not quit. I know the speed when the race them a pass. You think them stop and every out for cross. Put them out, I want strength in my car. Father never lie, huh? From night, straight till the morning. Cancel death and sickness. Cause we want live, we are do this with pain. We are do this with days. If you listen.
Come on people, give it up for Diamond Liyah, give it up for Diamond Liyah with a song called Pain in My Eyes. And if you listen good, you will hear it in our voice. And trust me, I feel everything will come out our mouth in our night, yeah. Diamond Liyah, an electrifying, soulful artist indeed.
So what go on better than what go on? Are you me come around to come link, you know? So talk to me now. All the place I can go come in and link nowhere right and now and you met Brandon show me out. So talk to me. Which buy I go put me? Talk.
Yo, Ashley, just take it easy, man. When I tell you say I deal with the thing, just know say I deal with the thing, man. I can make you get a place to stay upon the ends, man. Don't worry yourself. I easy 1 tree that, man. Remember say I'm the general around here, you know. I anything when me say go. But right now, still in my Ashley, a jail, man, just a come from, you know. So more you go in the bedroom, go get yourself undressed and come run some of that thing there. Come on, thirsty.
And ever that me come run so far and better than. So I don't know where I come with. And if you want some of this, you have to make sure so I get a nice place to rest my head all tonight. Could have bright.
Hey, girl Ashley, and by the way, they're foolishness, you know. Because you know, so you're my little muckers from a all the time, you know. Just come in and come sort me out and make sure I'm well taken care of. Don't tell you a thing, man. I gotta deal with the liquor ranch for you get it, man. You're safe. You don't know. But anyway, furthermore, I could take a walk around the street there. Me hear say them have a little ends round there where bad more time. Me hear say a DJ come in more time. So, I could go hold 2 drinks, man. I set the mood right for later, because you don't know. Later will be greater.
No, you're talking. You just attack my language, you know. You couldn't just want come slam bam thank you, madam. You have to carry me not go buy me 2 rum cream in a night to set the mood right. And you know me not lie to. I really miss some of that gangster love there, you know. I go put on some clothes and make her go round the road. So anyway, get yourself ready.
Say the two of them fit each other. When they look good together. Them say birds of a feather flock together. So better than an Ashley together forever. Until death do we part. Literally.